Hello everyone. Today we are making Ridge Gourd peanut chutney. Ingredients are 200 gram Ridge Gourd, 1 chopped tomato, chopped onion, tablespoon coriander seed, cumin seed, green chillies, turmeric, salt, groundnuts, and tamarind paste. Heat 2 tablespoon oil in a pan. Add 1 chopped tomato, 1 chopped onion, a tablespoon coriander seed, a tablespoon cumin seed, a 10 to 12 green chillies, 200 grams of chopped ridge gourd, cleaned, peeled, and sliced pieces. Fry all the ingredients in a medium heat until the ridge gourd becomes soft and mushy. Now add a tablespoon of turmeric and a tablespoon of salt. Give a nice stir. Now goes around 30 grams of fried groundnuts and a tablespoon of tamarind paste. Optionally add a tablespoon of sesame seeds. Fry until the ridge gourd becomes soft and all the spices become aromatic. Let the cooked mixture cool down, transfer it into a blender jar, add tamarind paste and other required ingredients, blend them into a coarse paste. Now the tadka part. Into a pan, heat 1 tablespoon oil, add 1 tablespoon cumin seed, a tablespoon mustard seed, let them pop, add 1 tablespoon chana dal, 1 tablespoon urad dal, 4 to 5 crushed garlic cloves, 2 to 3 red chillies, and a sprig of curry leaves. Once the dals turn golden, transfer the tadka to the blend chutney. Mix the tadka well with the chutney. Your rich gourd peanut chutney is ready to serve. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for